Turn on the power of the electric control box. Use the USB cable we provide to connect the electrical control box and the computer. Check whether the driver is successfully installed in the computer management. Open the Candle software. Check the software status. If idle is displayed, the machine and computer are successfully connected. If the button is still gray, enter the software settings. Refresh the port, and check again whether the software displays idle. Press the JOG operation button and check whether the movement direction of each axis of the machine is correct. Back to Origin test.